Welcome to 312 Princess Place in Morrisville. This fantastic townhome is located in the Sterling subdivision right here in the heart of RTP. I can't wait to show you around. This impeccably designed in-unit townhome offers the ultimate in low-maintenance living without compromising luxury. Step inside and be greeted by the inviting entryway and spacious formal dining room, ideal for hosting gatherings. The butler's pantry leads to the stylish kitchen featuring granite counters, a spacious island, and stainless steel appliances. The light-filled family room provides a cozy atmosphere with its gas log fireplace. Retreat to the luxurious first-floor owner suite with a spa-like ensuite bath and 2 walk-in closets. A powder room and laundry room complete the first floor. Venture upstairs to explore the second floor, where you'll find an open loft offering versatile spaces. 2 additional bedrooms, each with its own walk-in closets and full bath, and a large bonus room for entertainment or relaxation. Step outside to the serene outdoor living space, featuring a private backing patio overlooking the tranquil tree-lined backyard.